Hello guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to my YouTube studio. It's also my wife's. If you have not seen this part of it, this is where on my other channels we come and do our videos. But welcome to Mike's Double Edge. Today we are doing another unboxing. So let's start with the first one. It's more of a semi-unboxing. They've already been unboxed to, see if anything's been broken through shipping. I kind of like to do that. But I didn't do it with a Texas Shaves box because he already told me it was heavily padded. So I wanted to check these out. So let's start with the first one, shall we? This came from, I won this off of a giveaway from a Facebook group called Shave Dad. I highly suggest you go over there. It's a great page. If you're a big wet shaver, go over there and join the group. Everyone's so nice there. They're like family. They treat you well. And they post a lot of cool things. So I suggest going there, and what I won was a giveaway from a YouTuber called the Inspector's Den. I have followed him for a while now, and I do watch his channel. I suggest you go over there and go over to his channel and subscribe to it. He does have some good videos too, and he's a hell of a nice guy himself. So go check him out. And this is all the stuff that he sent me in that giveaway. And more. So let's get right to it, shall we? Sorry if it's a little gloomy behind me. I have my ring light here. It's actually storming outside. So if you see lightning, it's not me. I know I'm, pretty snazzy, but it's not me this time, I swear. So let's get to this. There is some clanging. All right. So we have some blades. They are... Oh, I actually seen these on a video recently. Mueller, Rusterfire. Don't know how to say it, but I am excited to try those out, and I have a whole bag full. Are these the same thing? Yes, they are. So, can't wait to try those out. Thank you. We have Subtle Art Soap Co. And I also follow the person that makes this soap. I also follow his YouTube channel. I suggest go following that too. Find him and follow him. He's got some great stuff. He tells you about his product, and it is veteran owned and operated. If there are people out there that don't like that, I feel sorry for you. But I love that it's that way. The scent is orange and patchouli. And it does smell very good. You can tell it's citrusy. I think the scent notes are in the back here. Let me get it on. No, just the ingredients. But if you go to subtleartsoap.com, I don't know if I haven't seen anybody really review this one, but I'll do a reviewing of it after a bit. But I'm not sure if they still make this one or not. But if they do, go check it out. Maybe get it. I mean, it's an American-based company. Isn't that always great? So go check it out. And we also have a matching splash, aftershave splash right there. So, and that, you just shake it up. If you don't shake it up, there's like settlement that doesn't settle, it floats. I believe it's the orange stuff. But yeah, it smells good too. Just like with, it smells like, alcohol in with it. But it's got alcohol, distilled water, witch hazel. I'm not going to say the scientific names. Essential oils, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E. So it's very good for your skin. So there's those two. St. James of London. This is a cologne. I've never had anything like this before. It does, where's the opening? Smell really good, and it actually smells very familiar. Like I've smelled it before, or it's taken on another profile of another scent. But I do like it. Can't wait to use it. It'd be a great date night scent. Another one. Unlabeled 2. Handmade, Italy. I'm not going to try and pronounce some of that stuff, but I don't know if you all can see it there. It's quite shiny. It also smells really good. Oh, it kind of has a smell of like baby powder mixed with other stuff. It's really good though. And then,
let me get this out. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. There we go.
Then we have a Zenith. I want to say boar brush. And I want to say the knot is from either, let me guess this right, 20 to somewhere around 20 to 22 millimeter knot. I'm not quite sure, but it says it's also made in Italy. So it does have a nice backbone. Be a great travel brush too. Go traveling. Feels better than my bass or bass or whatever that was. But yeah, I can't wait to use that either. I'll be using it pretty soon. So that was the first box. And I believe I got everything in that one. Second box he sent me. So, another shaving soap, which is Shark Week. Which is actually by Alien Shave. Now, there is some very good ingredients in this. Coconut oil, palm oil, safflower seed oil, glycerin, stearic acid, aqua, which is water, sodium hydroxide, argan oil, shea butter, goat milk, calendula flour, sure, that's easy to say, extract, sorry, sorbitol, propylene glycol. This is probably stuff to help thicken it, so don't mind that stuff. Sorptin oleate, honey, marshmallow root extract. Ooh, that sounds yummy on its own. Fragrance, oat straw extract, and wheat protein. So it's got some pretty good ingredients in there. And the smell of this is really good. I can't quite pinpoint it. It's a nice, refreshing scent. I do like that. I can't wait to use that. Again, also made in the U.S. in Chicago. So there's that one. There's another one by the same company called Pink Magic. Pretty sure something else is called that. But that's a different thing. But yeah, we won't mention that on YouTube. Pink Magic. It's got pretty much the same ingredients, so I'm not going to list them all. The scent, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see those little bubble pockets in there, but this takes me back to when I was a kid. God, what does that smell? It's almost like a makes me want to eat it. It smells so good. It smells like a certain type of candy. And like a strawberry soda almost. It smells really good. And the candy, it smells like, you know the Tootsie Roll company, they also make the fruity ones. I think they're called Tutti Fruities. Well, it smells like one of those, and it smells amazing. Between a Tutti Frutti and a Starburst. Like a cherry or a strawberry Starburst. I think a strawberry one. Too bad that's not edible. That's dangerous around me. Yeah. Weigh close to 300 pounds, and that smells good enough to eat. But I won't. I promise I won't. Alright, let's get in the other stuff here. Peanuts, don't worry, they're not the edible kind, so I ain't eating those either. And here's the other good stuff. Shing! The Pearl TTO. What I call butterfly open, or you can call it twist to open. Razor. Very nice looking razor, not razor. Yeah, man. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Never mind. I was memorized by how it was working apparently, but yeah, it looks very solid, nice. It's a little weighty. I like that. All around clean looking razor. There's where it says Pearl. Is it the Black Pearl? No, it is not. So we got that. We got a generic no-name razor. Another twist open. This one you do by up here. Close it up. Another one, another no-name razor. This one's feels beefy. So this one you just, I believe, twist up. Oh, yep, up here again. It does. It's got like a really, I don't know what you call it, knurling, or what, but it feels like it wouldn't slip very easily. So yeah, Excited for all this here. Can't wait to use any of it. So, like I said, go over to the Inspector's Den on YouTube. Give him a nice slap on the subscribe button. He's a really nice guy. If you haven't already. If you follow him, good for you. But if you haven't and you're looking for new content to watch, follow him. He's nice. Go over to Facebook, type in The Shave Dad. Go give that a follow too. And more of a join it. Because especially if you're a wet shaver, just as if you're a wet shaver though. No other content. But just as if you're a wet shaver, go over there. You'll find some very nice people, very helpful tips too. Just all you gotta do is ask. And the person that runs it, he's very nice too. So go over there, join that. And we're all welcoming when you join us. So there's that. Go over to Subtle Art Soap. Check his channel out. Very nice person too. He's got some really cool products and he keeps coming out with new stuff all the time. Can't wait to try this orange and patchouli out. If you can find them on, I don't know if they have a YouTube. Not sure, but try Alien Shave. I'll have to check that out too. I'm not sure if they have a YouTube or anything, but we are also on Instagram if you have one. A lot of nice people on Instagram too. So that was all for today. At least I can't say for today. That was all for now with the unboxing. The semi-unboxing. Everything was still in a box, so it was still unboxing, wasn't it? You know, did I have to open it in front of you? I don't know. But there's Google for the definition, so we can try that. Yeah. Excited to try all these. Smashing this one. Might be a kid with that one. But I've also been thinking of doing little shout out shorts too. To other channels that I watch and subscribe to. So if you want me to do those too, which I'd be happy to. Give me a comment about any of this, but especially a comment about the shout out shorts that I want to do, and see if you want that to happen. I hope you all do, because I could be sharing someone you don't know. There's a lot of you that know a lot of people, and I'm like, holy cow. But yeah, I might do that. So for now, that was it. I hope you all have a great day. Try and stay dry. My wife is out going to food pantries to try and get us some food. So I feel sorry for her. She knows I don't really like doing that too much. But I do help her when she gets here, especially if it's a lot of food. But it's more peaceful for her. But anyhow, have a good day and see you in the next shave. Bye.